how to fix an error occurred while starting Roblox problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if an error occurred while starting Roblox. Now, without any further ado, let's head towards the solutions. First, you need to go ahead and press Windows and R in order to open the Run dialog box. From here, you need to go ahead and type %app data% and then click on OK. Now that you're here, you need to go ahead and find Roblox folder. Once you find the Roblox folder, you need to right click on it and then you need to delete the folder. And I hope this might help you solve the issue, but if that does not, we'll head over to the next solution. In order to do that, you need to head over to your browser. This is Google Chrome. Now that you are here, you need to simply go ahead and click on three dots located in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you need to click on Settings option. Now you need to simply go ahead and click on Privacy and Security option. From here, you need to simply click on Third-party cookies. Now you need to scroll down until you see All Site Data and Permissions. Click on that. From here, you need to go ahead and search for Roblox. Once you find roblox.com, you can see the recycle bin like option over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on delete it, and from here you need to click on delete. And this hopefully might help you resolve the issue. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.